Were you followed?
No,
You sure?
I'm sure.
What's wrong with you demanding this meeting? This could blow your cover.
You gotta get me out. You're gonna kill me.
Whoa. Calm down.
I can't do this anymore, Steve.
You can do it.
No, I can't. Look, this is supposed to be a 6-month assignment, 8 max. It's going on 2 years.
Craig, we're slowly chipping away at his business.
Which has them freaked out now because now they think there's a snitch.
And they've been thinking that there's a snitch for the past year. You're covered.
Look, it's just a matter of time before they find me out. Do you understand? The closer we get to making an arrest, the closer they get to finding a snitch. And only a handful of people know what's going on. And I'm one of those people. Look, let's make an arrest now. I got enough evidence to put Vinny away for life.
Because Vinny isn't the big dog.
Get the big dog, man. Look, he's untouchable.
Craig!
Steve. We've been going after Denton for the past 6 years. 2 of which have taken up my life. And we're no closer to finding him now than when we began this operation. Let's take down Vinny, which will put a serious dent on his day-to-day operations. Eventually he'll make a mistake, and then we got him.
You know that taking Vinny down right now will only cause Denton to close up shop for a few days, relocate, and start all over somewhere else.
They're going to freaking kill me. Look, I don't care what Denton does. Either you make the arrest or I walk.
Sit down. Sit down. You told me 3 years ago that you wanted to be more than a federal agent. You said that you wanted to stop corruption at its highest level. I told you. No, I warned you about the stakes, and you said it didn't matter what the stakes were, you were all in. And now that you're in it, you can't handle it. So what was all that talk, huh? Was it just talk? What's really going on? Because if I pull you out now, that's it for you. Your career is over, and they will kill you as soon as you leave. You've been in this thing way too deep to think that you could just go out there and live life as normal, and you knew that going in. So what's up?
It's my mother, Steve. Look, I haven't seen her in 3 years. Ever since I did Time to Solidify the cover. She thinks I'm a criminal.
And she needs to keep thinking that for her own protection. And you knew this. It's a problem.
I miss my mother, Steve. I miss my family. I miss caring for people. Doing time. Hanging around with these criminals. I'm losing myself. So much so that I think that I'm a criminal.
Craig, I get it.
No, you don't get it. I've been doing my own thing on the side. Doing the same thing as Denton. And you know what the funny thing is? I'm better at it than he is. So much so that the person I have running it. You got another undercover in my organization, don't you?
It's classified.
Classified. This is your UC. He was placed in the organization to find out who the mysterious Raymond Steele is. Correct? I'm Raymond Steele.
What?
So not only are the bad guys going to be coming after me if they find out that I'm a Fed, my own people are going to be coming after me because you can't tell anyone that I'm FBI. And your UC is this close to finding out who I am. So either you get me out, or I'm going to have to kill your UC.
It's my house, and I live here.
Evelyn, it is 7 a.m. Where have have you been?
K to the Rena.
Oh my
Rena,
goodness, you are
Rena.
drunk.
I'm not drunk, but I've been drinking. I've been drinking.
Yeah. I'm gonna get you a cup of coffee or something.
I don't want no coffee. Now, coffee makes me fart. Stinky farts, too. I want a big black or brown or high yellow. Strong. All up in
Evelyn,
me.
okay,
Over
stop. Okay, stop
and
it.
over and over.
Okay, I get the point. Come on, let's
And
Oh.
over and over.
I
and
get the
over
point. Okay.
Again. Oh,
What has gotten into you?
nothing. That's the problem.
Why are you smiling at me like that?
I'm not smiling at you. I think I just had an orgasm.
Evelyn.
Nope. Still dry.
Okay, let's come on. Let's get you to bed. Come on,
Now, that's
come on.
what I've been trying to do all night.
Okay, no, not with me. So.
I don't want nothing from you. I am strictly.
Yeah, I got their point the first time, Evelyn.
But nobody want me, K to the Rena. Why nobody want me?
Evelyn, that is not true.
It is true. Don't try to pacify me. I ain't been on a date in almost 2 years. What be the problem, me, K to the Rena? I mean, I'm smart, I'm funny. I'm smart, I'm funny. I'm smart. I'm not gonna say I'm pretty because I'm just not pretty. But
You are pretty.
if I was pretty, men would be whistling at me and trying to talk to me when I walk down the street. Or flirt with me on Facebook. They don't flirt with me on Facebook, and that's the place to flirt, on Facebook. I'm not even pretty enough to be a Facebook flirt object. Oh my God. I'm a troll. Oh.
Evelyn, stop it. You are not a troll.
A pimp wouldn't even pimp me because nobody wants to pay to sleep with a troll. And if he did, I could see him talking to all the other pimps now talking about troll better have my money.
Okay.
I'm not even good enough to be called.
Okay.
I'm just a troll, trolling along in life.
Evelyn, okay, stop it. Come on.
Oh, me and all the other trolls at the farmer's market shopping. Oh. Because that's what us trolls do. We go to the farmer's market and we go shopping to buy troll food to help us keep our troll figures.
Oh, Evelyn.
Why?
Evelyn.
Why, Lord, was I born a troll? Being a troll ain't cute. It's depressing, and it's embarrassing. I put on a short, sexy skirt and it does nothing. I want people to want me, to think I'm beautiful and lovely, and to pinch my butt when I walk by. But they don't, because I got the butt of a troll. You see it. Even the male trolls don't want the butt of a troll because it does nothing for their self-esteem. Am I crying?
Yeah, you are.
Do I have big cockatrice tears rolling down my face?
Evelyn, what happened tonight?
Look,
What?
I was going out because I just wanted to feel the touch of a man, and have him satisfy me. And I satisfy him, and we please each other. So I went to the swingers club. Not to find love, of course, but just for that feeling. And this is the type of club where sex with anybody is okay. And nobody wanted me. Why nobody want me, Katrina?
okay.
Yeah.
Did you enter Victoria in some beauty contest?
What?
Some man is on the telephone. He asking her all these questions. He asking her height, her weight, what time she get home from school.
Some crackpot. Martin Luther King was just killed in Memphis.
Your daughter had her life threatened just now.
Some crank making phone calls. It happens a dozen times a day at the office.
This is not your office. This is our home. He could be some kind of murderer or some kind of rapist or something.
Only cowards make crank phone calls, Elizabeth. Nothing's gonna happen.
How do you know? You're not around here enough to know anything. You're too busy off making speeches and stirring up all the Ku Klux Klan in Louisiana against us.
Watch yourself.
I'm leaving. I'm taking my kids and I'm leaving. I'm not gonna stand for this no more.
Come on, sweetheart. Government wants you to be scared. They want everybody to be scared to speak out. They count on it. There's nothing to be scared of.
You're always talking about the government. What is wrong with you? Don't you have no feelings? I'm talking about your daughter. What kind of man are you?
Okay, we'll take him to my mother's house. Spend a week. That'll make you feel better. I'll get new phone lines. I'll change the locks. I'll get private security. Elizabeth, get a hold of yourself.
Jim. Before this Kennedy thing, there was nothing that was more important to you than your kids. Nothing. Jasper was trying to show you something the other day. A picture that he drew. You didn't even know he was there. He needs you. More than they do.
I promise I'll make more time for Jasper.
Is it such a chore?
Woman, if I say I'm gonna make more time with him, I'll spend more time with him. I can't fight the world and you too, Liz.
I'm not fighting you. I'm trying to get through to you. You've changed.
Well, of course I've changed. My eyes have been opened. And once your eyes are open, believe me, what used to seem normal now seems insane. And now, King, you don't think that this has anything to do with that? Elizabeth, can't you see?
I don't want to see. I'm tired. Okay? I've had enough. Everybody's out there talking about how you don't even have anything on this Shaw man. You're just attacking him. Trying to ruin his life because he's a homosexual. Going on with this stupid trial. Have you once stopped to consider what he might be going through?
That is not why I'm attacking him. You don't believe me. All this time, you never believed me.
I don't know. Look, I know there's some kind of conspiracy, but I don't think the government has anything to do with it. I just want my kids. Okay? I want to raise them in a normal life. I want my life back.
So do I. So do I. I had a life too, you know, Elizabeth. I had a life too. But you can't just stick your head in the ground like some ostrich, pretend that everything is okay. It's more than just about you and your 2 cars, your nice kitchen, and your nice TVs. And your yes, I'm fine. Why our kids grow up in a piss hole of lies? Well, I'm not fine with that. I'm angry. My life is screwed, Liz. And yours is too. Now, if you don't want to support me in this, I can understand it. But don't you threaten to take my children away.
I want my life back.
We can have your life back. But you're not taking my kids. Do you hear me? You're not taking my children. Go on then. Get out. Go hide with the rest of them. They'll tell you Jim Garrison is crazy. You have a whole bunch of people that tell you Jim Garrison is crazy. You won't have any problems filing the divorce papers on me now. But somebody's got to try. Somebody